15 years ago, the mere thought of famed German sports car maker Porsche producing an SUV was met with widespread incredulity. Almost immediately, it became the brand's bestseller. And now, as we await the arrival of the all-new third-generation Cayenne, it would seem absurd to not have it be part of the Porsche lineup. With the goal of combining typical Porsche performance with excellent everyday practicality, this 2019 model features an all-turbocharged lineup, new 8-speed automatic gearbox, new chassis systems, and innovative displays and connectivity. Whether you opt for the 340 horsepower 3-liter V6, the all-new 2.9-liter 440 horsepower bi-turbo V6, or 550 horsepower 4-liter V8, the Cayenne is fitted to move and move quickly, in as little as 4.1 seconds to 60 miles per hour. Staggered width tires and rear axle steering debut with this Cayenne, with the aim of improving stability and driving dynamics. The 3-in-1 concept of sports car, off-roader, and touring car is realized through the use of standard all-wheel drive, new software that synchronizes all chassis systems in real time, an adaptive air suspension, and electronic roll stabilization. Porsche says this Cayenne takes sport and comfort to the next level, all the while being perfectly suited to off-road use. Dimensionally, this Cayenne is almost 2.5 inches longer with a lowered roofline and an identical wheelbase. Likewise, cargo room has increased slightly by about 3.5 cubic feet. Feeding the plethora of electronics is a new 48-volt electrical system, meaning shorter response times. Reduced weight, lower fuel consumption, and a new Sport Chrono package with normal, Sport, and Sport Plus driving modes round out the mechanical highlights. Inside, the Porsche Advanced Cockpit features a 12.3-inch HD touchscreen, night vision assist with a thermal imaging camera, and an optional Burmester sound system. Pricing starts at just under $70,000, and the turbo begins at about $125,000. Look for it this summer. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammes.